How a beginner can become a successful affiliate marketer with no experience, part 2 of 2. Okay guys, we're going to continue on this training on affiliate marketing, and if you haven't watched video 1, I suggest you go back and watch video 1 right after this. They don't necessarily have to be done in order, but it does make more sense, and you'll find the link to that in the description below, so check that out. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. If that button down there is red, it's trying to tell you something. It's trying to say you haven't subscribed, so you need to click that button, turn it gray, and turn on all bell notifications so you're notified every single time I do a new video. Now let's get into this affiliate marketing stuff more. In the previous videos I was talking about different types of products you can sell. In this video I want to talk about informational products. These are awesome products. I've created some myself. I've marketed other people's who have informational products, and they're incredibly profitable and people love to buy them. Now, what are informational products? Well, they're generally products that teach something. Okay, maybe a marketer does them, or maybe a blogger does them, or maybe some authority, somebody with some type of background does them. I've done quite a few informational products because I sell products online. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and in doing so I learned stuff, and when I learn stuff I put it into a course and we sell that course. So they're pretty cool, but there's a lot of reasons why they're cool. The first reason you're really going to like, they're usually higher price. I've got some courses that are $2,000–3,000. okay, very expensive, but that means your commissions are going to be much higher when you promote these things too. Generally these types of products have a personality behind them. So when you sell, let's say Facebook Ads University or Digital Cash Academy, it is my training from my experience, so that makes the product a lot easier to sell because it has a personality behind them. Now generally, if they're done by somebody like me and you're promoting my products, they're going to have a lot of emails that come behind it. It's going to be a full funnel behind it, so it gives you more of an opportunity to actually make the sale because it was done by a marketer just like myself. And the last thing I really like, I think this is the most important thing, is informational products. They generally solve a problem. They take away pain. They know the pain points and they fix them for people. So that's another cool reason why you'd want to sell them. Now I will tell you, it's a little bit more difficult to become a marketer of digital products because the creator of the course is more cautious about who they let promote their products. They don't want people making some grandiose claims about their course or anything. They want you to stick to a strict way of promoting that product, but I think that's actually a good thing. And the cool thing is the profits. I mean, the profits are amazing. They're generally anywhere from 30 to 50%. So let's say you're selling one of my courses for $997, we'll say $1,000, you're going to get $300 to $500 when you sell one of those courses. That's pretty good. You don't have to sell too many of those a day. You sell 2 courses a day at $500, you're making $1,000 a day. That's not bad money. Some of these products are also recurring, so people get billed every single month a set amount of money. For example, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a great tool. You need it if you have a YouTube channel, and I do have a link, my affiliate link, in the description below. There's a free version of it you can get by clicking that link down there. If you decide that you want to go for the paid version, I can save you 30%, which is a pretty cool deal. You get a good deal, but keep in mind, every single month that you pay, I get a recurring payment of 20%, which is very, very nice. I like those recurring payments. Now I want to share with you 3 of the companies I really do recommend. The first one is CLICKBANK. CLICKBANK is a great place to find informational products, digital products, all kinds of courses. They have some physical products, but primarily it's digital, and they're going to pay you anywhere from 10 to 100% commission. So that's a pretty darn good commission. That's a great place to go find products. They usually vet the products first. They make sure they're not garbage. They make sure they stand behind what they say they're going to do in that particular course. So that's a great place. Another place to really have a good affiliate relationship is through BLUEHOST. BLUEHOST is one of the preferred vendors for hosting a website. A lot of people have websites. BLUEHOST has an affiliate program. You can get in on that affiliate program. That's really awesome program. I like that a lot. Next one is SHAREASALE. You can go to SHAREASALE, and they have tons of affiliate offers in there. Matter of fact, our survival food products are also on SHAREASALE, and you can promote those products through there. And lastly, if you're marketing on the internet, KARTRA is amazing. They have a great affiliate program. If you look down in the description, there's a link to KARTRA. I would suggest you click it and watch the video. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't need a credit card, don't even need to put your email address in. However, if you decide you want to get KARTRA, you can use my link and get a trial for only $1. But those are 4 of the top affiliate areas I think you should go to right in the beginning. immediately get into those programs. A lot of people like to put banners on their websites. That is a good way to do affiliate marketing, and you can make money. The problem with that is it kind of clutters up your website. It doesn't make it look that attractive. So there are other ways you can go about doing affiliate marketing without having all those banners on your website. I think one of the best ways is just to have links, especially if you have a blog, or if you have YouTube videos like I do. I have links below. A lot of them are affiliate links. When you have a blog and you have links and then you're talking about a particular thing, let's say I was talking about KARTRA and what a great marketing tool it is, the word KARTRA would actually be a link that would take you to KARTRA where you could purchase it, and I could actually earn a commission on it. Besides that, if you put just links throughout your blog or down below in the description of your videos, it doesn't clutter things up. Now you can't put banners on YouTube unless you're actually buying ads, but on your website you could put Google ads all down the side, and all these things are flashing and moving. Very irritating to the person reading the article though. So using these affiliate links works really great, and you can make a lot of money without cluttering up your website. Now let's talk about some of those kinds of blogs you would have where you would use affiliate marketing. A resource guide. So if you put the words resource guide, this is a high SEO keyword. So if you put resource guide for Canon camera equipment, or a resource guide for shooting YouTube videos that get views, people go to that page and they use it as a resource guide where they actually go through it. You can put all kinds of different affiliate links in there. It's extremely helpful to the reader, and also it's going to be helpful to you because they're going to be clicking on your links. The next thing I would say is affiliate marketing with product reviews. Now product reviews can be done in a blog. You can talk about the 4 different kinds of vacuum cleaners, or you could also do a video on YouTube and you could talk about the 4 different kinds of vacuum cleaners. You could compare them back and forth, and then you could give your opinion of the best one. And then for all the vacuum cleaners, you could have 4 different links down there so they could go and buy that particular vacuum cleaner, of which they're going to be your affiliate links. Now if you want these to be really effective, try to give a story about how you actually use that product. Be very clear and concise, and at the end of your product reviews, give your honest opinion about which one you think would be best. A lot of videos that are KARTRA software versus Infusionsoft software, or Keep they call it now, which is better. People love videos like that. They love blogs like that, and you're going to get a lot of traffic just by the nature of the type of comparison it is. And of course, email marketing works great. If you go to CLICKBANK, you're going to find that most of the top offers already have the emails written for you. All you have to do is insert your name. You have to insert what your affiliate link is, and you're off to the races. And a lot of people say, well, I don't have hundreds of thousands of people or millions of people on my list. You really don't need that many. I mean, if you have a list of 1,000 people or more, you can send out some emails and make some money. I've seen people do it. It just depends on the relationship you have with your list. If you haven't mailed them in 6 months and then you send them an offer, you won't do as well as if you're sending them content every single week and you're keeping them warm and they're opening your emails. It is important, if you have an email list, to email them. I used to think, well, I don't want to email my list because people will unsubscribe. Well, there's no point in having subscribers if you don't send an email. There's just no point. So I finally learned that, started emailing a whole lot more, and then started making more money. Kind of makes sense, right? Now I will tell you, you want to be cautious. A lot of products say they're going to pay a high commission and you're going to make all this money, but what is their background? What is their history? If you go to CLICKBANK, you can go to the gravity of a product and you can see exactly how well that product's doing. You may want to talk to the creator and ask them about their click-through rate, their earnings per click, that type of thing. So don't send out offers that don't convert well, because if you send out offers to your list that don't convert well, they're not going to convert well for you. So number one, you've wasted your time, but number two, it may even get unsubscribes because it's a bad offer. So be real cautious about that. Now if you don't use like a CLICKBANK link, you're going to want to probably use a link shortener. I like to use bit.ly because the actual link is really long for most affiliate links. It's an ugly link. You don't want it, right? So what we want to do is have a bit.ly link, a much shorter link that looks nice and clean, and you can actually customize a bit.ly link where you can put whatever customized name you want at the end of it, and those do tend to convert better than one that just have a bunch of numbers and letters and that type of thing. Now I remember when I got started, I really didn't even know what affiliate marketing was. It took me a while to wrap my head around it, and I wish I had done it in the beginning, because I did start over a decade ago. If I had been doing affiliate links back then and I was getting reoccurring payments now, it would have built up over 10 years and I would have a lot more money, but that's okay. The question is, when do you start doing it? And I will tell you today. Start doing it today. Start using affiliate links today, especially if it's recurring payments. I mean, imagine if you have 10 people paying you 1 month, and then the next year you have 100, and the next year you have 1,000, and then 10,000. Even if you're getting $5 or $6, you're getting $5, you get 10,000 people paying on it, you're making $50,000-$60,000 a month just in affiliate money. And that may seem kind of far-fetched to you now, but that stuff builds up. Even on this YouTube channel, which we got it monetized last year, it's already building up, and it's building up really nice, and it's producing money for me. And when it produces money for me, it produces money for YouTube, and it's a great relationship because YouTube lets me do videos for free. That's pretty darn cool. They say, here's a platform, and we're going to put hundreds of millions of people on it, and we're going to let you do videos for free, and if people like them, we'll pay you. I mean, what the heck? That's a pretty good deal, right? So the last piece of advice I would give you if you want to get into affiliate marketing is kind of build your brand. Let people know who you are. Let them start trusting you. If you're into woodworking, do woodworking videos. If you're into cooking, do cooking videos. Whatever it is you're into, start building your brand so people know who you are. If they know who you are and they trust you, they're probably going to use your affiliate links, and you're going to make money. So you might as well capitalize on that. Now, if you're serious about making money online, I have some free resources below. I have a course that's $97, but you can get it now absolutely free. All you have to do is click and learn. I would also suggest that you go to my channel, the actual channel, go to the search bar and type in affiliate. You're going to find other videos on affiliate marketing that are really going to help you out. I would highly suggest you do that. Don't miss out on some free education. I'm also giving you that free education. Don't forget, if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe, make sure you ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified every single time I do a video. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up down there. Smash the thumbs up. Lock in that subscription with a thumbs up. Super important that you do that, so that I get some distribution. People will see my videos, and on top of that, you'll also be notified when you turn on the bell when I go live or when I upload a new video. I really appreciate you watching this. Don't forget, you may have some questions still about this affiliate marketing thing. Put those in the comments below, any questions you may have, or anything about starting, running, and growing your own business. Question of the day: have you tried affiliate marketing? Where did you try it, and what happened when you did try it? I want to hear your story. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.